The 5 best fats to eat plenty of on the ketogenic diet. 1. Avocado. Though technically a fruit, avocados offer a rich source of heart-healthy monounsaturated fatty acids. They're also packed with fiber to bolster digestive health. 1/2 of an avocado contains 161 calories, 2 grams of protein, 15 grams of fat, 9 grams of total carbs, and 7 grams of fiber, bringing it to 2 grams of net carbs, notes the U.S. Department of Agriculture. 2. Olive oil. We know that when we have fats in our diet like monounsaturated fatty acids, they not only fill us up but keep cholesterol levels lower. Olive oil is great for light sautéing, using in dressings, or drizzling over cooked meats or vegetables as a finishing oil. 1 tablespoon offers 119 calories and 13.5 grams of fat, only 2 grams of which are saturated fat, according to the USDA. 3. Avocado oil. Like olive oil, avocado oil is rich in anti-inflammatory MUFAs, but the benefit to using avocado oil is that it stands up to high heat cooking. For instance, the popular brand Chosen Foods says its avocado oil has a smoke point of 500 degrees F. According to the USDA, 1 tablespoon of avocado oil has 124 calories, 14 grams of fat, and 0 grams of carbohydrates. 4. Nuts and nut butter. Nuts may offer unsaturated fats, but they also contain carbs, so look at the label to calculate exactly what you're getting. As an example, 1 tablespoon of almond butter has 98 calories, 3 grams of protein, 9 grams of fat, 3 grams of total carbs, and about 1.5 grams of fiber, equaling about 1.5 grams of net carbs, per the USDA. And the USDA also notes, a 1-ounce serving of almonds, 23 almonds, has 164 calories, 6 grams of protein, 14 grams of fat, 6 grams of carbohydrates, and 3.5 grams of fiber, totaling about 2.5 grams net carbs. 5. Chia seeds and flaxseed. Whitmire recommends these because they offer omega-3 fatty acids. Getting more of these fats will improve the ratio of omega-6 to 3s you consume, which some research suggests optimizes health. It's time to take the 28-day keto challenge. The link to the challenge is in the description box. The 4 fats you should limit on the keto diet. 1. Cheese. A slice of cheese contains 115 calories, 7 grams of protein, 9 grams of fat, 5 grams of saturated fat, about half a gram of carbohydrate, and no fiber, per the USDA. The saturated fat qualifies it as the food you ought to limit, but some research suggests the food has health benefits as well. 2. Cream. Adding heavy cream or half and half to your coffee is one way to get an additional source of fat into your day. Just realize that it is a source of saturated fat and, given the small serving size, it's easy to go overboard. According to the USDA, 1 tablespoon has 51 calories, 5 grams of fat, 3.5 grams saturated fat, and is just shy of half a gram of carbohydrate. 3. Coconut oil. Given that coconut oil is trendy, it's been credited as a panacea for health ills, and given the general go-ahead to consume as much as you want. That's not exactly the case. There's a controversy with coconut oil because of its high levels of saturated fats, which are the ones that clog arteries. 4. Butter. Eating a significant amount of butter has some of the worst effects on your health compared with other fats. It's okay to use butter in your fat rotation, but best not to make it your go-to fat, instead opt for more unsaturated sources. Per the USDA, 1 tablespoon of butter has 102 calories, 12 grams of fat, 7 grams of which are saturated fat, and 0 carbohydrates. It's time to take the 28-day keto challenge. The link to the challenge is in the description box.